Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk to you about why it's important to rather use very simple technology instead of complicated, top-notch, hard-to-find developers type technology for your product, even if it could give you, I don't know, better performance or stuff like that. I had a customer a few years ago and we were working together as he needed my help to turn his development team profitable. Now, this was an agency, a mostly focused on design and marketing type agency, and they had a development team. And the development team built not very complicated product, websites, applications for their customers. But he noticed that the development team was being very unprofitable. Basically, they were losing money because of the development team. So I started working with them, and I looked over the tech stack that they were using, what technologies that they were using, if they had reusable components or not, how they were interacting with the other teams. And basically, I started helping them and showing them how they should do agile transformation, how they should start doing Scrum, how they should estimate properly, communicate properly with the rest of the team, how they can track the progress, the budget of their development team in the light of the entire project that they were getting from those customers that was including, design and marketing and all that. Now, here's the kicker. This client of mine did not follow my instructions. Instead, what he did is he hired a development lead, and this development lead, he saw the pretty simple technology that they were using and said, no way, man, we gotta go Node.js, and I've got this framework of building these websites and these components and all that. And basically, he went out of business. Pretty soon after that, he went out of business. I got some emails and said, no way, we're just completely unprofitable. And I don't know what he did after that, but I thought about it very, very well, and I'm like, man, I don't get people that run away from simple things that make you money. Why you just don't want to do it? And the only answer that I could give is that people fall in love with a product. They fall in love on building something complicated and something amazing and something new, and instead of building something that the customer needs and brings them money. So what I urge you right now is to understand this difference. If you're building a product and you haven't yet hit product market fit is that point where you found your business model. You started selling, and you started selling in a repetitive way, or you started acquiring customers or users, if that is the goal, to acquire users, even if you're not monetizing and you got some funding or whatever, and you found that way to acquire customers in a very constant way, and it just booming the acquisition of your customers. If you're not there yet, your purpose is not to build an amazing application, is not to build something scalable, is not to build something perfect, beautiful, with an incredible performance, is to validate that the customer really needs what you're building, and then it's something that you can sell, and it's something that you can acquire customers on a repetitive way, and you build a pattern of acquiring customers. Once you hit that, from that point on, where you can start and boost the performance, you can refactor a few components, you can refactor the whole thing, maybe you have already money, you've sold a product, and you can build new developers and change technology. I remember even Hootsuite, when I worked with them a while back, they switched from PHP to Scala, but that was years and hundreds of millions of dollars after they started, when they refactor the platform. So I don't know how to say this more explicit. Do not fall into the trap of falling in love with your product. Keep them simple. Bring value to your customer. Completely detach yourself from the product. And then this sounds mostly to tech entrepreneurs. And instead focus on your customer. Your product is a vehicle. Your product is not the glamorous thing that you want to put on a shelf. It's something that you want your customers to use, to buy, and have value. Okay, thank you very much for watching it. If you have any problems with this, if you feel that there's a problem over there, that you're scaling and there's lack of profitability over there, it might be a problem right there in the technology that you're using, in the way that you prioritize operations versus sales and product development versus customer development. Feel free to book a call with me. There's a link under this video, and we're going to hop on a call. We're going to look at your business, your approach, and let's get this off the ground and flying. Okay, book a call with me. We're going to look in if there's anything that I can help you with. We're going to see, we're going to tell you how that looks like, and we're going to take it from there. Aristotle Dascal here from GoStartup.io. Go change lives. Bye-bye.